Section 2. Initializing the FARO Laser Tracker Vantage. Before you can use the FARO Laser Tracker Vantage, you must initialize and configure it on the host computer. If you have not already done so, turn on the laser tracker using the main switch on the MCU. The laser tracker starts to warm up. This can take up to 45 minutes. Open the network settings on the host computer. For Windows 7, for example, go to Start, Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center. Choose Manage Network Connections. Here you can see the LAN network connection status for the laser tracker. Click on Properties. Now choose the Internet Protocol, TCP/IP, and click on Properties. At the top of the window, change the setting to Use the following IP address. Now you just need to enter the IP address, such as 128.128.128.99, and confirm by choosing OK. You can use any available IP address in this range except 128.128.128.100, which is permanently assigned to the laser tracker. The laser tracker will now try and connect to the host computer. The initialization process starts as soon as a connection is established between the laser tracker and the host computer, and you have launched the software. The initialization window appears automatically as soon as the laser tracker is connected. The startup checks for setting up the laser tracker run automatically as soon as you confirm. This process can take a few minutes.